In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play a two-player game of chess on chess.com. Whether you're a seasoned chess player or just getting started, this tutorial should help you navigate through the process with ease, allowing you to enjoy a good game with friends on this popular online platform. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to chess.com. Simply type in the web address or search for chess.com in your search engine and you should see the site pop up at the top of your results. Click on it and you'll find yourself on the main page of chess.com. Now that you're on the home page, look for the login button. You'll find it situated in the left middle corner of the page. It's pretty noticeable. Give it a click to start the process of signing into your account. If you don't already have an account, this is where you'll sign up to create one. Assuming you do have your account credentials ready, go ahead and type in your username and your password into the designated fields. You'll then click on login to access your dashboard. However, if you've made your account using one of the popular platforms like Google, Apple or Facebook, you have the option to log in through them directly. This can often be a quicker way to log in if you're already signed into those accounts elsewhere. Personally, I prefer to log in with my Google account, so I'll click on login with Google and choose the Google account associated with my chess.com profile. Doing this takes me straight to my personal dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the play page by navigating through the menu options available. It's typically straightforward. Once there, you'll see a play button, which you should click on to get started with setting up your match. To play specifically with a friend, you'll want to click on Play a Friend. This will open up a list or search function for your friends. Type in the name of the friend you wish to challenge, and once you've located their profile, click on their profile photo to initiate the match setup. Within this setup, you have the flexibility to choose the type of match and the time control you'd like to apply. Chess.com offers a variety of match types and time settings to suit your and your friends' preferences. Once you've decided on the specifics, just hit that play button and voila! You're all set for a friendly match of chess with your selected opponent. Following these steps should have you playing chess with a friend on chess.com in no time. Enjoy your game and may the best player win.